Now, let me take us inside as world famous vlogger Tayo Aino is ready to take us on a tour inside our duplexes, our beautiful duplexes. Watch this video to the end. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Stay tuned.
Let's go. Let's check it out.
Let's see this is the main house, and then this is the BQ. I'll be taking you through the main house first, and then we can see the BQ later.
I see a camera here. Where's the viewing thing?
Oh yes, it's the control is connected to the master's bedroom, so the owner of the house has the capacity to view the camera
in real time.
In real time. But then I also like to mention that it's not connected to the general estate security camera panel. So you're sure that whatever you see is just you seeing it. It's not a general access. So apart from that, you also have the camera here from when you ring the doorbell.
Oh,
so
nice.
Different angles.
From different angles. Yeah. So you have the smart card here, key lock, same thing, same feature, and then you open. It also has the fingerprints. This is the 3-bedroom terrace, and then you have the living room area. You have the mini sit-down corner. Right? If you do not want your guests getting too comfortable. So this is the space for the dining room area.
Ooh, looks nice.
Depending on the size of your dining table, you can actually sit 6, family of 6, or a family of 4, if you would like. But of course, all of this doesn't come with it. And then it gives you a lovely view of the back terrace, right? The back terrace has a mini garden, which we will see through the kitchen as we go along. Please come.
Nice.
Wow, the kitchen is so big.
It's actually bigger than that of the Series 1. It's another upgrade that we made, giving you more space. You have the pantry, the storage just behind you there. And then you have the microwave oven, of course, the space for the fridge, the hob, and then the heat extractor. This is the garden I was telling you about.
Oh, okay.
You can have a lot of family time, do a mini barbecue. Of course, this doesn't come with the house, but just showing.
You are being very specific. This doesn't come with the house, don't think. But there are spots for almost everything.
Exactly, and this is the lifestyle.
So what are you going to be grilling on this one?
Me? Chicken.
Chicken. You don't like fish? Only chicken. You're not a fish person.
Maybe chicken is it.
Ooh, this is cool. Lovely view from here.
So
and you can feel the air, the breeze.
Yeah, I can feel the breeze, man. It's so quiet and peaceful here. This is probably where I'll come if I'm living here and I just wake up in the morning, I want to grab a cup of coffee, just walk out. Oh, you like tea? I like coffee. Why don't people like coffee in Lagos? What about you? What do you like? Tea or coffee?
Tea, green tea.
Oh my God.
Specifically
Nobody likes coffee.
So the spacious family lounge, which now connects and leads you into the master bedroom.
Ooh, master bedroom. Somebody told me they don't call it master bedroom, that is usually primary bedroom.
Primary.
Yeah, like master bedroom is from the slave era, blah, 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 blah. So now I wish I could remember that.
It's actually really good. I never seen Nigerian homes try to make you feel like what it would be if it was your house.
Yeah, I know that's one thing that our clients just say, that when they come to the staged units, they feel like they are home. They can totally see themselves there.
This is the part that ladies always like, walk-in closet.
Your vanity mirror.
You're already setting everything up. So don't worry, just hold your POS when she's walking out so that she'll just swipe. Oh, this one has a bathtub.
Yes.
Check. Come on, check it out.
Cool shit.
Check out the bathtub.
Oh my God.
If I may repeat myself, the ice cream bowl.
The ice cream bowl. The ice cream bowl.
I can totally see myself with a glass of wine and a bowl.
Well, me, I have problem with this bathtub. It's not for people like. It's not for people like us. I can't lie down in this one.
But then you have
I want bathtub, Joe. I don't want shower.
It's an ice cream bowl. It's for small people.
And then you have one room here.
Oh, this is supposed to be the girls' room.
Or the boys' room. Who says
Oh,
boys
why
can't
does it
wear
have
pink?
pink?
Who says boys can't wear pink?
The boys wear pink. Are boys allowed to wear pink?
Colors are gender fluid.
Shadow wear pink in Ojota or something.
And of course, all the rooms are ensuite.
Okay, and this is the final.
And then this is the third room. Ensuite as well.
This is the boys' room. This is the third room. It also has like a balcony on this side where you can also view like the rest of your backyard garden where you're growing your green tea.
Coming out of the main house, you have the BQ here. So when you get the 3-bedroom terrace, you get the BQ. So now the BQ is another upgrade from the Series 1, right? You have the mini living room area, and then you have the kitchenette here. And then you come down this walkway, you have the room, and then you have the bathroom.
This doesn't look like a BQ to me. It looks more like another apartment on its own.
Well,
This looks like a place where somebody who is just starting out in Lagos can actually rent and live and have a comfortable life.
this is the BQ of the main house, but who says it cannot be a studio apartment?
It looks more like a studio apartment.
Yes, because it has the living room, the kitchenette, the bathroom, and then
A nice bathroom, not forgetting.
So basically, somebody who buys this one can decide to rent this one out if you want, and also just live in that one with your family.
so this BQ comes with the main house. It's different from your regular BQ, but it's our standard BQ for you.
Really, that's dope. So you've shown us these awesome, beautiful properties. How much is it generally?
This is 65 million.
65 million.
Yes,
Okay.
but if you like the corner units, it comes with an extra 2 million, so that's 67 million.
And also, there are payment plans available for this one too.
Of course, 18 months with a 10 million naira initial deposit.
Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Good
Nice.
investment.
Right?
What do you think about this kitchen generally?
I love it. Like, it's small, it's compact. You
let
can
me sit
cook
down.
Now is the
and
time for
relax
the
and watch TV.
Make that
And the
decision
wood.
right now
do you plan
as we
on
speak,
getting
because
one?
time waits for nobody. Time waits.
Hammer. So come on, buy.
So if you're out there and you wanna, buy property in Nigeria or in Lagos generally, this is a really great investment.
Procrastinating now, before you know it, the time is gone. So give me a call on the number showing on your screen. Once again, it's me, Janet Amaka, a real estate consultant in Nigeria. I bring you the very best of real estate opportunity for Nigerians in Nigeria, Nigerians in diaspora, and for non-Nigerians. If you are a non-Nigeria and you wish to invest in Nigerian real estate, I am here to guide you. If this is your first time, see my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment. If you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. Like, share, and comment. Thank you very much. Till I come your way again, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you very much.